Zen Body Balance is a holistic wellness experience designed to harmonize the body, calm the mind, and restore natural energy flow. Rooted in mindful touch and gentle movement, this practice blends slow, rhythmic techniques with deep breathing awareness to release tension and encourage inner stillness. Each session focuses on posture alignment, muscle relaxation, and nervous system balance, helping the body shift from stress mode into a state of deep rest. Subtle pressure and flowing strokes support circulation, improve flexibility, and promote a sense of grounded stability. Zen Body Balance is ideal for those seeking relief from daily fatigue, mental overload, or emotional stress, offering a quiet space to reconnect with oneself. As the body softens, the mind becomes clearer, allowing awareness and calm to unfold naturally. This therapy nurtures overall well-being by supporting balance, focus, and gentle strength from within. With regular practice, Zen Body Balance helps cultivate resilience, body awareness, and a lasting feeling of peace that extends beyond the session into everyday life.